Hello, Namaskar everyone. This is your emotionally Prince. First of all, I would like to thank the managing director of Hotel Maheswari, Avnish Bhagat. And I also thanks the entire member of Jasne Utsav for standing up for me and encouraging me. Today I came here with a great story. Actually, this story has been composed by Gopal Das. He is my spiritual teacher, and instead of my teacher, I am going to share with you a top story. Today I would like to share with you a very inspirational story. Actually, this story has been composed by our Guru, Gopal Das. Instead of Gopal Das, I would like to share with you a beautiful story. Actually, my story topic name is The Mastering the Art of Success. Now, I would like to start my topic. Actually, friend, two guys graduated from same university together, and after a couple of months, joined the same company. After 2 years, their manager promoted one of them, Rahul, to the position of senior sales manager. Another one, Jiten, remained same in the position as he had joined as a sales officer. Jiten felt hurt, disgruntled, and even felt jealous of Rahul since he needed the job. However, he continued working anyways. After a couple of months, Jiten's bitter feeling towards Rahul grew so much that he could not work with him as longer. He wrote his resignation letter. Before handing it over to the manager, he complained the management not value hard-working staff. They promoted only the ones they favored. The manager was well aware that Jiten worked very hard for the company, even harder than Rahul. Thus, he much deserved promotion. But something was missing in Jiten. So to help Jiten, the manager gave him a task and said, "Can you go and find out is anyone selling watermelon in town?" Jiten returned and said, "Yes, there is a watermelon seller." The manager told Jiten how much is his selling price per kg. Jiten drove back to the town to find out, and on his return, he reported to the manager, "Sir, the vendor was selling the melon 13 rupees 50 paise half a melon." Now, I would like to say the manager told Jiten, "Let's give Rahul to the same task and see his response." So, in the presence of Jiten, the manager told Rahul, "Can you go and find out is anyone selling watermelon in town?" Rahul instantly left, and on his return, he reported to the manager. He said, "Sir, there was 92 melon in stock. Each one weight is about 7 kg. His farm and supply us with melons for 3 months at the rate of 102 melon per day at 27 per melon inclusive delivery charges. The melons are excellent quality, fresh, red and great taste that we sold last year. And he also owns a slicing machine and willing for slice is free of charges. We need to strike deal with him before 10 am tomorrow. If we deal with him, we will surely beat last year's profit by 223, contributing positively over our performance. As I put all the information down in writing and available on a spreadsheet. Please let me know if you need it, then I can send it in 15 minutes. Jiten was dumbfounded, impressed by Rahul, by his smartness and inspired by his commitment. He realized the difference between himself and Rahul. He decided not to comparison but learn from Rahul. Ladies and gentlemen, this is not what we do. It's all about how we do that make us different and stand out from others. It's not merely hard work but smart work. It's not merely looking at others. It's all about looking at ourselves that bring you excellence. So friend, if you find someone else doing better than you, don't complain. Put your act together with extra mile. It may be slow or fast, but success will surely yours.